Hello friends, so today we are going to make a number guessing game on Python, on Python Anywhere. So here I'm going to show you how to make a guessing game by while loop in Python. So first we will create a package name import random. Then we will make a variable name form choice equal to random dot rand range. In this game, let me tell you a short short form. Let me tell you brief in this game what we are going to do. In this game, we will give computer 1 to 50 numbers, and he will choose any of the numbers, and we we have just 5 tries to guess the number. Then 1 comma 50. Then we declare tries with means we initialize it by 1 so that the compiler doesn't give us the alert. Then comes the while loop. While tries is less than or equal to 5. We will give now colon. In Java, we usually give a semicolon, but in Python, the statement is entered by a colon. Then we will declare user choice, the number that user will be entering. Int input, enter your guess. So it will display the message in the output window. Now now comes that now comes the if statement. If you if user choice is great if user choice is greater than comp choice then it will display print your guess is larger what I have in my mind. Then comes elif. Elif means else if, what we write in Java. Else if, here comes else if elif if uh, comp choice is less than user choice. Oh, I wrote opposite. If user choice if user choice is less than comp choice, then it will display print your guess is lesser than what I have in my mind. Then comes the else statement. Else we will write that we'll print the statement. Else means okay. We'll write print congratulations, or else print congratulations, you won the game. We will write print the statement. One game. Congratulations, you won the game. Now, now here we have now comes the to break the statement here because breaking the statement is necessary because so, because if the user guesses the number just before 5 times, then the compiler shouldn't in the output window shouldn't show that to guess the another number. That's why we are writing here break. Then comes that tries means if the user hits twice above than 5, then we print a statement print you have lost a game. You have lost a game, and here print that you have lost a game. Now you're and better luck next time. And better luck. So here we will compile the code. Here we will give a space. In while loop, the space is very important because it's remember that in the while loop, the in all the loops, the spaces are very important. So here you can see that the enter your guess has been outputted here. So we'll type a number, and remember that to guess the number, always type the mid number. Means between 1 and 50, the mid number should be 25. So we'll type here 25. So here it gives you number is smaller than what I have in mind. Means the user number is smaller than what computer have in mind. So we'll try. Uh, so user's number is smaller than what computer have in his mind. So we will try then. Then in 25 to 50, we have to take a mid number. Then what's the mid number between 25 and 50? The mid number should be 37. Now it is coming that your guess is larger than what I have in mind. Means computer number smaller than 37. Now means it lies in the between the range of 25 and 37. So we'll take the mid number from it. So the mid number should be 32. So here it is larger than the mid number should be between 25 and 30. So we have now just two chances left, 25 and 32. So the mid number I think should be the number correct. Oh, it's smaller. Means the number lies between 28 and 30. Okay, so I think it's 30. Oh, I've exhausted all my tries. So let us try once more to check that if we get the correct number. So again, 26 smaller means 26 to 50. If we write 30, 34 is smaller, 24 to 34 to 50. 38 smaller means 45, I think so. Oh, 30, it lies between 38 to 45. Mm, So it means it should be 43. Oh, I'm no better. I didn't have luck this time. So in this code, I've showed you how to how to play the guessing game in Python and how to write the code. So I didn't have luck this time. So you can even try this code out in on Python anywhere and get the correct number. And let me know about the number if you get the number in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.